rectangular components of a vector. Rectangular components of a vector. Consider a vector r bar. Now this r bar will be taken as the sum of two perpendicular vectors. Such a perpendicular vectors are known as rectangular components. The vector r bar will be replaced by two components, perpendicular components. Two vectors, one perpendicular to the other. Let us consider a direction at an angle theta with r. The white vector represents the direction at an angle theta with r. In that direction, the vector component will be r cos theta. The vector component will be r cos theta. It is represented by OA. It is represented by OA. At O, a perpendicular vector is shown, that is r sin theta. It is OB. OB is r sin theta. It is another component. R cos theta and r sin theta are perpendicular to one another. So they are called as rectangular components. Both are components of vector r bar. They are perpendicular to one another. Hence they are called as rectangular components. The component at an angle theta is r cos theta. The component at an angle theta is r cos theta. And the one perpendicular to it is r sin theta. If you add the vectors r cos theta and r sin theta, you will get the vector r bar. This is shown at the right. First I have constructed the vector OA, which is r cos theta. At A, I have constructed r sin theta. Then we will get OC, which is the vector r bar. So the sum of these two components, r bar, r sin theta and r cos theta, gives the vector r bar. The relation between r and its components. Let us take r cos theta component is along x-axis and r sin theta along y-axis. Then rx is equal to r cos theta and ry is equal to r sin theta. Then r will be equal to square root of rx square plus ry square. We notice that r cos theta and r sin theta are perpendicular to one another. Hence, angle OAC is a right angle triangle. OAC is a right angle triangle. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Hence, r square is equal to rx square plus ry square. But rx is r cos theta, ry is r sin theta. Hence, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, where r square is common. Hence, we will sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Hence, we will get it as r. So, r will be equal to square root of rx square plus ry square. The angle between OA and OC, if it is theta, the angle between OA and OC, if it is theta, then tan theta will be equal to AC by OA. AC by OA. That is ry by rx. Ry by rx. Like this, we get the magnitude and direction of the resultant of two perpendicular components.